This is a fast-paced world in which everything changes. Today's innovation is obsolete tomorrow. For such a technically sophisticated world that needs to meet its own growing demands, the skill, dedication, and passion of engineers is foremost. With an aim to empower the world with such engineers, Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering was conceived. For over a decade now, SVCE has been successful on its endeavor to help pave students a path towards a lifetime of success.
SVCE has started from 2001, which is started with a very noble idea of imagine, innovate and explore.
SVCE's comprehensive efforts are channelized towards helping students by developing the tools for imagination, innovation and exploration in their own fields of study. SVCE has a strong foundation in its board, which is comprised of distinguished academics and leaders of industry under the guidance of the chairman, Sri V. Muniappa. Started with a vision to be recognized as a college in the new generation of great civic colleges, innovative, accessible and inspirational with global influence, SVCE is living its vision through its multifaceted presence.
We are very close to 175 faculty members. All of them are MTechs, all of them are experienced faculty. Probably we are one of the very few colleges where 100% syllabus is covered in all 8 semesters. And this is the practice right from day one, that is right from its inception.
The lush green 13-acre campus has been designed to emulate the equipments, facilities and amenities which are available at top MNCs, so that the students experience and adapt to the corporate world even before their first day at work.
We conduct workshops, we conduct seminars, we conduct international conferences, national conferences. We have invited a lot of people from Australia, Ethiopia and Japan and some countries, so that the technology, what is happening there is also being exposed to our students, and through alumni meet we are getting a lot of information from their side that what they have learned is really useful and they are really excelling there in their professional careers nowadays.
SVCE's infrastructure has been designed to suit all AICTE and industrial requirements.
Any student, anytime they can download the journal that is available of his interest. The advantage is a student need not come to the library, he can even take the password and he can download wherever he is. The systems that we have implemented here are copied by the university. So to that extent, we have got the foresightedness.
State-of-the-art laboratories with ample equipment are available for all courses, which ensure that students have individual, first-hand experiences.
As far as the infrastructure of SVCE is concerned, we have designed the labs in discussion with the industry people and also in coordination with the department faculty members. We have closely designed the labs in such a way that the student should not feel when he goes to the industry after completing their academic career here in SVCE, he will not feel much different from the institution's environment.
And the idea of building this type of infrastructure is students should feel pleasure in sitting in a classroom, working in the lab, and they should feel that they are in a corporate office, like corporate culture, corporate facilities.
SVCE has reached top position in Bangalore North in organizing pool campus drives. During any pool campus event, over 3,500 offer letters are issued. 150 pool campus drives and 150 different college students visit our campus for hiring.
There are about 180 to 200 companies which have already come to the campus this last 24 months, which is actually a significant growth when compared to the other institutions all over in Bangalore. We are concentrating on a 360 degree of a student, where it's an overall development which makes them a perfect employee or a perfect entrepreneur, or a person who can also handle the stress levels, because a lot of targets will be given to them which they are not able to handle that. So we give them the training to handle these as far as stress management is concerned.
SVCE's placement has set a benchmark by making successful, promising, and well-paid jobs available to all its students. The alumni have been actively networking and bringing in new prospects for students who graduate. Dedicated student volunteers have made the placement cell a highly resourceful one. Besides, total quality management and counseling initiatives are held to help students prepare their resume, refine presentations and interview skills, and be up to date with current topics. Best efforts are put in to enable them to take on the competitive corporate world.
A lot of industry are expecting that the faculty should be more robust in their teaching and more technically strong enough to teach their students. And also they are also trying to improve their curriculum, like their knowledge in presenting the papers, and also discussing with their industry friends and bringing them to the institution. And fortunately we are successful in that. We have conducted around 55 seminars this year, and we have a lot of FDP programs, and there are about 500 and odd paper presentations which have happened this year.
And through alumni meet, we are getting a lot of information from their side that what they have learned is really useful, and they are really excelling there in their professional careers nowadays.
Faculty members at SVCE strive to equip students on their path to comprehensive success. SVCE has as many as 18 PhD holders as faculty members, in addition to several others who are working towards their PhD. Faculty Development Program, an annual event conducted for each department, aims at enhancing the skill sets of the faculty members and keep them updated with the latest research and developments in the industry. Along with academics, students are encouraged to participate in extracurricular activities to maintain a healthy mind and body. The campus has state-of-the-art synthetic basketball court, badminton court, a football ground, and a cricket ground. Annually conducted Cultural Fest encourages cultural consciousness and love for art and tradition in students. Accommodation is an important part of the student experience, which is why SVCE has invested in making top quality accommodation available for boys as well as girls, making their home away from home. The cafeteria, run by the Adigas Group, provides a wide variety of delicious, healthy meals to students. Student safety being a top priority, the college has installed security cameras, electrical fencing, and have appointed a dedicated 24-hour security staff. As an eco-friendly campus, it runs primarily on solar power, and we also harvest rainwater. The college was built on barren land, and it was converted into a lush green campus by planting various species of trees around the campus to help students stay healthy and energetic. SVCE offers 6 different branches of undergraduate courses to 450 students. Besides, postgraduate courses in business administration as well as niche programs in technology are also offered. The courses and syllabi are approved by AICTE New Delhi, and we are affiliated to VTU, Belgaum, and recognized by the Government of Karnataka. Electronics and Communication Engineering forms the nucleus of most of the engineering and technology applications in the industry, more so with respect to the service sector. Acknowledging this fact, Department of Electronics and Communication of SVCE is working in the right direction to produce skilled, passionate, competent, knowledgeable, and driven engineering professionals. Headed by Dr. Shiv Shankar, M.Tech, PhD.
We have well qualified with good experienced faculties in our department. We are regularly conducting number of workshops, number of seminars for both faculties and students. We have R&D center in the department. With respect to R&D center, we have different sensors in the department like pressure sensor, temperature sensor, humidity sensors, then how to measure the quality of the soil. Also we have that facilities in the department, and we have TMS processor, different kits we have.
The faculty members of Electronics and Communications Department nurture the hidden talents of students by systematically educating them through classroom, laboratories, workshops, and industrial visits. The department consists of 1:14 student-teacher ratio, out of which 3 of them are PhD holders and 5 of them are pursuing their PhDs. The department provides state-of-the-art facilities to students with high-end technology and world-class equipment to work with. The laboratories are each designed to allow students to practically experience the processes on their own. The research topics that the department specializes in include mobile adapt technology, mobile sensor network, speech recognition, optical fiber communication, and signal and systems. The department recently received a funding of $2 million from Vision Group of Science and Technology for its project on wireless sensor network. Students are encouraged to participate in workshops and seminars, and the department has hosted such events on its own. Also, between the faculty members and students, as many as 100 research papers were submitted and published in the International Conference on Networks, Information and Communication. It has actively exhibited great pieces of work in the second state-level project exhibition. Also, students from abroad have been invited for mindshare programs to ignite a thirst for knowledge in students. The efforts of the department are amply evident through excellent results and highest merits in the university examination. Students from the department have been successful in creating a career for themselves in areas like embedded systems, communications and networking, image processing, VLSI, among other fields of study. Computer Science and Information Science Engineering aims at preparing a strong base for students to grow in as full-fledged computer science professionals with a strong foundation in programming and coding, logic design techniques, and low-level and high-level computer languages. This course also focuses on different aspects of digital logic design, database management, etc. Headed by Dr. Suresha, M.Tech, PhD, the faculty members are all well qualified and abreast with the burgeoning developments of the field.
The department is organizing a number of workshops and technical talks for the benefit of our students, so which will enhance their knowledge and also come to know about their latest technologies, what is happening in the industries. Our faculties are doing good research work and they are having good number of publications also, and their publications are in reputed journals like Elsevier and International Journal of Science and Engineering.
The students have been a part of Hackathon, a day-night programming event in which the team won the third prize, and also have been a part of EDGE, a national-level event. A number of initiatives to develop and shape the research skills of students are undertaken. This includes national conferences, workshops, and industry study. Besides, a multitude of events, project submissions, and design efforts are made as well. One such highly successful design effort that the students undertook was AutoLocate, an app that helps monitor things. The professors of the department are known to have a contagious love for research, learning, and exploring technology, which they successfully pass on to the students. The department consists of 1:14 student-teacher ratio, with each of them consisting of 2 and 1 PhD holder respectively. The department is spread over 2,300 square meters with an independent wing block. The department houses centralized air-conditioned and well-furnished software labs with over 200 high-end systems and Wi-Fi internet connectivity. Students from the department can go on to build their future in fields like coding, cryptography, information protection, communications and wireless networks, compilers and operating systems, computer vision, robotics and embedded systems. One of the oldest and broadest engineering branches, mechanical engineering, involves designing, development, production, and use of mechanical tools to solve mechanical issues. Generally hired by manufacturing industries, these engineers have employment opportunity in both private and public sectors. Government sectors like defense, PWD, Post and CPWD also hire these engineers. Headed by Dr. Svce Bangalore, the faculty members are all well versed with both industry function and academia.
To have very good performance for our students, we are working at different levels, and we are not counting the days or we are not counting the time. Working even after the working hour also, will be extending our facilities to the students based on the intensity of subject also. The core subject may be slightly difficult, mathematical or mathematic oriented. So such a subject we are going to conduct the special classes, extra classes according to the requirement of students.
The department consists of 1:14 student-teacher ratio, of which 3 are PhD holders and 2 are pursuing their PhDs. The department works hard to calibrate its comprehensive efforts, be it curriculum, infrastructure, or extracurricular activities. The research that the department has undertaken include biofuels optimization and robotic designing. Biofuels project is a lauded one as it explores how Simaroba oil extract that is presently used only to light lamps may be used as a full-fledged fuel. Simaroba extract is already proven to be more efficient than diesel and is known for its medicinal properties. In order to facilitate such nuanced research programs, world-class facilities state-of-the-art laboratory facilities, and specialized equipments are given to the students. The department has actively involved itself in national-level seminars, student presentations, and published articles in journals. These multifaceted endeavors can be seen in the successful alumni of the department. Students graduating in mechanical engineering will be fully equipped to enter one of the following areas: production, quality control, manufacturing, CAD/CAM, etc. Civil engineering is designed to meet the needs of modern construction technology, geotechnical engineering, irrigation, environmental engineering, architectural aspects, and industrial pollution. The department aims to create professionally driven civil engineers with special focus in structure, environment, special concrete, among other fields. To achieve this, the curriculum is developed in line with the current trends in civil engineering industry and research. Headed by Dr. Svce, the department has highly qualified faculty members from academics and industry with vast research experience working on cutting-edge technology.
Our focus is on strengthening academic and achieving consistently high result. Also promoting academic environment through invited lectures, site visit, and student forum activity.
The department consists of 1:14 student-teacher ratio with 2 PhD holders and 2 pursuing PhD faculty members. The students and faculty are encouraged to attend and publish in conferences, workshops, and seminars, take part in competitions related to civil engineering, set up various chapter clubs to carry out research activities of their interest. The department is equipped with state-of-the-art infrastructure like classrooms with modern teaching aids, laboratories that include world-class machines, NDT facility, and a fully equipped CAD lab with design software. Guest lectures from the academic and industry experts are arranged to keep the students and faculty informed of the latest developments and industry challenges. The department has organized national and international conferences, seminars, and symposia. In all, the department aims to offer the best environment for undergraduate engineering students to pursue academic studies, research activities in their field of interest. Electrical and electronic engineering is that field of engineering that generally deals with the study and application of electricity, electronics, and electromagnetism. Electrical and electronics engineering covers a broad range of study areas, including renewable electrical power generation, small distribution, urban, industrial, rural, and regional power usage, the role of energy production and efficiency in climate change adaptation, control systems, and electronic device design. The laboratories are well equipped with state-of-the-art equipments to meet the growing needs of the industry, especially with regard to electrical machine labs and high voltage lab. Headed by Dr. Murlidhar, M.Tech, PhD, the faculty members of the electrical engineering are involved in active research in the areas of power quality, power system voltage stability, and high voltage engineering.
We have well experienced, qualified, dedicated faculty members in the cadre of professors, associate professors, as well as the assistant professors. We have conducted various workshops, conferences, faculty development programs, student activities, some industrial visits, and the additional guidance to students.
The department consists of 1:14 student-teacher ratio with 1 PhD holder. Two batches of students have won state-level project exhibition and second prize in project exhibition conducted by Central Power Research Institute. At the national level, go-kart competition held at Chandigarh, they came 23rd out of 236 places. The department also invites projects from industries to be implemented by the students of the college. The students have been well trained and with the support of the placement cell have succeeded in being placed in top companies. Students who study this course will have the tools to enter the areas of power generation, transmission, distribution and controls, transformers, induction machine, DC and synchronous machine, circuits, networking, instrumentation, high voltage engineering. The Master of Business Administration MBA program aims to mold and groom future business leaders for careers in global business scenarios. The MBA program prepares business professionals with various academic backgrounds for careers in global business scenarios. This program provides students a platform to imbibe procedural, theoretical, and applied aspects of management and also develop a creative attitude. It helps students to develop the competencies, confidence, and network which are vital for future business leadership role and for reaching new levels of personal achievements. Headed by Dr. A. Malappa, MTech, PhD, the faculty is well qualified with ample industry experience.
So the most significant achievements of the department are we encourage the students to participate in the seminars as well as workshops. Every week we are conducting seminar classes for them and also we provide them enough opportunities to participate in other management fests as well as other workshops and seminars conducted by other colleges.
Multimedia classrooms, great learning opportunities, library with access to national and international e-journals, and nuanced infrastructure facilities are some of the aspects of this multifaceted department. Areas where MBA graduates could enter include research and development, design and manufacture, management and marketing, consultancy and education, among others. Apart from the departmental achievements, the college has well thought out, comprehensive facilities which work toward providing the students everything they will need to make their journey enjoyable and fruitful. Students are nurtured to grow into morally conscious, ethical professionals who are culturally rooted. SVCE is committed in delivering only the best to its students and leaves no stone unturned in making their stay in college worthwhile. SVCE is your destination of success, not only because it paves your way, but also because it molds you strong enough to translate that success in all walks of your life and contribute to the world around you.